Hey guys, I'm David. Welcome on my generator channel. If you need a new generator, you are in the right place. So let's take a look at this one to see if it's the perfect one for you and for your needs. So let's go.
WEN 56475 4750 watt portable generator with electric start and wheel kit. Digital readout helps manage oil changes and maintenance schedule. Features electric start, low oil shutdown, an automatic voltage regulator and overload protection to maximize safety. CARB and EPA III meet requirements for sale in all 50 states. Includes wheel kit and foldable handles for easy transport. 223cc engine provides 4,750 surge watt and 3,750 rated watt.
So thanks for watching. If you want more information about this product, if you want to know customer review, the price and everything, don't forget to click the link in the description of the video. And before leaving, you can subscribe. Thank you guys. Take care of you. Bye bye.